Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute Christmas ornament. It's one of the blogs on the Christmas in the City quilt that's available through the sew along, so make sure you go there. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. For this ornament, you're going to want one 5.5-inch square for your ornament. From the background, you're going to want two 1.5 by 3-inch rectangles, one 1.5 by 1-inch rectangle, four 2-inch squares, and two 1-inch by 5.5-inch rectangles. We're going to sew our 1.5-inch by 1-inch background and hanger together, and then sew that between the 1.5-inch by 3-inch. So that will make that piece. Then we're going to take our 2-inch squares and draw our diagonal line on them. And we'll snowball the corners of our 5.5-inch square. And we'll flip those back to make sure that our corner is covered. And trim our seam allowance. And we'll sew that between our 1-inch by 5.5-inch rectangles. And we'll sew the top to the ornament. And that will finish ornament. It will measure 6.5 by 6.5 and finish at 6. Remember, if you like these videos and want more, come join me in Em's Sew Along Adventure, and we'll have story quilts, we have challenges, we have workshops designed to help you use your scraps in creative ways. We have sew and shows where we gather and show each other what we're working on and chat. It's a lot of fun. So make sure you come and join us. We'd love to have you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.